real fast, I want to give a shout out to these 4 people. Thanks for commenting. I did make sure to subscribe, but thank you for commenting down below. And if you want a shout out, make sure to comment down below yourself, positive or negative. Yeah, let's get into the video.
I'm waiting for you, and then you push me away. Painkillers for breakfast, I ain't feeling the day. I'm fucking geeked up, but I tell her I'm okay.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Brownie back with another one. Hopefully you're having an amazing day. As always, I would like to say first off, make sure to stay tuned because this is useful. Now, secondly, thank y'all for the recent support on my videos. I now have 58 subscribers. It has gone down and up, which is understandable. Who wants to subscribe to me? But if you do, I would love it. It would mean the world to me, and I always appreciate it. It helps out. It helps get my videos out there, and yeah. So, if you are having an amazing day, make sure to comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback.
Nobody asked.
So, I'm going to be showing y'all that almost any website doesn't work on this. Roblox.com, blocked. Discord, blocked. So, I have this. It's, yeah. I will have the link in the description if you need it. Because this isn't like something that you can just memorize, search up, and it'll go straight to. But first of all, you can search anything up. I will example that later if I need to. If you click games, you have Clunker, Among Us, 1v1 LOL, Minecraft, Run, and Slope. Now, I have tested these out by myself, and these all do work. I don't want to search a whole bunch because it does take a little bit to load since it's its own little browser. It's not really like the cloud or anything, but this also, let me show you something really cool. This unblocks NVIDIA GeForce Now. And with that, you are able to play games like Rust, some other stuff like that. Sometimes it has problems loading. All you have to do is reload it or just go back to the website. Go into history because I can't just search up incognito and it would be right there. I'm currently sick. I do not have COVID. Make sure to support your boy by leaving a like on the video. Dislike, I really don't care. It gives me feedback and views. But a subscription would be very much appreciated, and it would mean the world to me. I hope this website is of usefulness to you.
It's me falling down the stairs.
Sorry, I'm very dumb. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, you're welcome. I'm your favorite content creator.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit.
Don't lie. But yeah. Jokes aside, thanks for joining in. Thanks for viewing the video, and yeah, hopefully you're having an amazing day. Peace out.